Afternoon, dear students. So, welcome to RB annual classes. So, today classes. So, I will teach that in first class means that is a fourth standard. Yes, students, that is the same chapter. So, numbers and numerations. Yes, students. Today we are going to learn that expanded notation. So, expanded notations. So, what is mean by expanded notations? First, so, what is the meaning of the expanded notations? Means that is expanded notation means that is writing the numbers of the addition of place value. Yes, students. So that is expanded notations. Definition of the how to I will explain that today in expanded notations one examples. Afterwards, I will start the exercise 1D. Okay, students. First, I will write the definition that expanded notations means that expanded in each digits means that is the place value. So we have used the multiple of the place value. So that expanded each digit means that is expanded notation means that is the meaning of the place value. How to define the place value? You have to in multiple. So afterwards we will write the expand form. Okay, that is the expand in each digit of a numeral of a numeral so to its place value and and then write the total sum. The students, so what is mean by that is the expanded notation means that is the expand each digit. So each digit, so that numerals to its place value. For example, for example means I am showing one example. 290. So we'll write the expanded form means what's the first one digit. The student just you observe the first one digit that is a 2. So what is the place value? So 2 place value is 1 times 100 1000. So that is a 2 1 times 100 that is a 2 is a 100 place value. So we'll write in 2 into 100. Yes. So next means how to in 9 is that is the place value is 10. So 9 into 10 afterwards 0 into 1. You know that 2 into 100 is 200. Next, 9 into 10 is 90. So you know that 0 into 1 is 1 is more. So this is the example of the expanded form. One more expanded notation. We will use the 3 steps. So in the last classes I told that in expanded form first I wrote the place value, afterwards I will write the numbers. So what is expanded notations that is expanded in each digit. So numeral place value. Yes, that each digit means that is a place value. Next, writing a numbers as addition of the place value. Yes, that is the addition of the place value of its digits. So this is the expanded form. In again one example I am showing that. So 27,672. So we'll write what is the place value of the 2? Yes, this is a place is a 1. So we'll write 2 into 1 means that is a 2. Next means 7 is what is the place value of 7? That is a 10. So in 10 means that is a 10. So 7 into 10 that is the value is a 70. So that is the 7. That is the place value is 7. Okay, next means 6 is 100. So in the 6 into 100 that is a 600. Next students just you observe in 7. So 100 afterwards that is a 1000. Okay, 7 into 1000. So that is a 7000. Because you know that the 7 is a 1000 place value. Next means 2 is 10,000. So we'll write 7 into 1000, that is a 7000. So next students, 2 into 10,000, that is the 20,000. So we'll write it down. First, what is that? So what first number? What is that? That is a 2. 2 means what is the value of the 2? So that is a 20,000. You know the place value of 2 is a 10,000. So we'll write here 20,000 plus afterwards is the 7,000. Next is 600 plus 70. So 2. Yes, that is the mean by of the notation. That is a expanded notation means so you're writing the numbers. Yes, as the addition. So I'm writing the numbers as the addition of place value with digits. That is the form of the expanded form. So this is example of the expanded form. The students, so expanded form or expanded notation. That is the both how to using that both is same, but here given three ways. So one way means first you write this is I am showing two examples. So again one example I am showing students. So next example 2760. So in expanded form means you use the three steps. No, now I will showing in three steps means so 2 is a 10,000. So once you can say 1,000 plus 7 means that is a 100. I will write it full form students. So that is a 1,000. Next 7 is the plus 700. So the 6 is a 10 places. So last one 0 is a 1 places. You know that this is a one step students. So at the next step, what is the value of 1,000? You know 2 into 10,000. Yes. Next 7 into 100. Next 6 into 10. So next 0 into 1. Yes, we'll how to do the multiple. 2 into 1,000 is 2,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 0. So this is the example of the expanded notation. So I will using in 4 steps. So afterwards, in this question means I will use the 3 steps. So first I wrote in each place's name. Afterwards I will have to place values. So after I have the multiplication. So this is the final. This is notation or expanded notation students. So just you open the page number 16 students. Page number 16. So now I will explain that exercise. So just I will explain to now expanded so notation in basic section. So now I will solve the exercises. So that is exercise 1D. Students 1D. So what is 1D means? Just you open page number 16 in fill in the blanks. First main is the fill in the blanks students. So just you see here. First main given in fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So A1. What is the A1 question students? So given here A1 question 87,134 is equal to dash 10,000. Yes. What is the value of the 10,000? That is given to 5 digits. But here given digit, but is equal to afterwards how to fill up. So given the dash. So what is here? What is number here? You know that first given. So 10,000. 10,000 plus 10,000 plus afterwards plus dash thousands. Students, so in plus how to next means that 100. That is the place value is hundreds plus dash tens dash 1. Yes, students, so already gave the in numbers, that is the numerals given. So what is the value of the 10,000? What is the value of 1,000? What is the value of the 100? So then, so what is the value of the tens and ones? Just to compare this 5 digit numbers. Okay. Next in B1. What is the B1 question? So 4 lakh 5,659. Okay, students. Here given, this sections means in before just 2 minutes before I told, I will explain. So this expanded notations means I will use the 3 steps, students. So first, this is the first steps given in the first fill up. So next B1 questions given that second steps. Okay, that what is 4 into what is the value here? So plus 5 into dash. So next is 6 into dash. So next is the 5 into dash. Next means that is a 9 into dash. The students, so in next is the C1. C1 question 2000, 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 50,000 plus 100,000, 10,000. So this is given in Indian system. So it is 10,000. Okay, students. 1,000 means what is the value of 1,000? Yes, it is a 7. 7 is a 1,000. Okay. 100 means that is a 1. Yes, students. That is a 1. Okay. So in the tens and ones. Tens means that is a 3. Ones is a 4. Students, that is a 8 is a 10, 8 means that is a 10,000, 7 is a 1,000, 1 is 100, so 3 is a 10,000, sorry 3 is a tens, and plus 4 is a ones. So this is the value. Okay, students. Next question. So this is the first choice means I will use here in the first pillar. Okay, in second pillar. So you know that how many digits? This is a 6 digits. 6 digits means you know 1, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So this is a lakh. So what is the value of the 4 means really you have to multiple 4 into lakh. So this is the value of the 4. So what is the value of the 4 means the number of the 4, that is the value of the 4 means that is a lakh. So we'll write here 4 into lakh. Students, how many zeros in 1 lakh? Yes, that is a 5 zeros is a 1 lakh, students. Okay, next. So 5. But here just observe, students, just is given to this different question, but in your already gave what. So here what? Direct here not given to 0. So next you have to given next number is what? 5. So already in your reader also gave already I written also here 5. But you don't confuse, students. This is 0 means this is the value. What is the place value of the 0 is that is the 10,000. So 0 into 10,000, that is the value is 0. So you don't include, just you keep your minds. Any number you have to multiple or divide with 0, that value is 0. So you write here, you go to next steps. So next steps means in the next number. What is the next number? This is the 5. So 5, what is the value of the 5? That is the 1,000. So we write here 1,000, students. So next 6. 6 is 100. So 6 into 100. 5, what is the place value of the 5 is a tens. So last, that is the place value. 9 is ones. This is the students, you don't confuse that. So in 4 into that lakh, 5 into 1,000, 6 into 100, 5 into 10. So 9 into 1. Okay. Yes. Next, this is the one step is completed. Just you observe, students. So in comparing that in expanded of the notation, this is the first step, is the first fill up. In the second fill up is the second step. Third fill up means that is the third step, students. Okay, you know. Yes, this is a year what given 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 5,000 plus 70 plus 1. So you will use in one method, students. So here what? 20,000 plus 4, you know that. Here what given, so how many digits? 1, 5 digits. So at first we will write, this is the 1. First you have writing 2, Next means how you will write the 4. Next is the 5. Next is 7. That is the 1. Just you observe students. So 20 plus R means in 20,000 plus 4,000, that is a 24,000. So that is 24,000. So 500 plus 70, that is a 570 plus 1, that is a 571. Just 20,000. 7,570 plus 1. You know, student, that is the 0 plus 0, we will write 1. So 0, 0, then 7. So 7. 0 plus 0, 5 means that is a 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. Next is 2. What is the value, students? This is the value is 27,571. But I wrote here short. Okay. Next, in a D1 question, students. D1 question or C is in the same questions. So I will give the D1 homework in first main. Students, I will give the D1 homework. Okay. Next, again one question here I have that in the E1 question. This is some different students. Different means already you know given V1 or E, that is the same method. You use the same method, students. That is 9 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000. The students in plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1. So next you have to dash. This is equal to dash. Okay, students, just to listen. So 9 into 10,000, what is the value? 9 into 10,000 means 90,000. 8 into 1,000 is 8,000. 4 into 100, 400. 2 into 10, 2. So 1. So we'll write. So 9 into, this is 90. What is this? This is the 90,000. In plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. So we'll write the numerals means. So first what is the number here? 9. Yes, the 10,000 places is 9. 1,000 places is 8. So 100 places is 4. So 20 places means that is 2. Lost is 1. What is the value? So 98,421. Okay, students, understood this? So this is a first meaning. Fill in the blanks is completed now. Okay, students, is next. I will explain that. Write in expanded form in second mean. Yes, students, just to listen in second mean. Yes, students, second main means I will explain in two questions. So that second main. So what is the second main? Write the expanded form. Expanded form. A1 question. What is the A1 question? 41,684. Students, how many digits? This question. This is a 5 digit. So 5 digit 4 means what is the value of 4? That is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So that is the value of the 4 is 10,000. Yes, we will write here 4 is 10,000. Means 10,000 means you know students just I wrote here spellings. So that number means this is a 10,000. Yes, students. So first step we will use in direct 4 into 10,000. Yes, 4 into 10,000. Next, students. So 1 is you know that is a 1 is a 1,000. So 1,000 means you know that this is a number is how many zeros? 1,000. This is a 3 zeros. So 1 into 1,000 plus 6 into 6 is 100 places. 6 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Yes, students. So next step. So I will here I wrote that the direct student. Just I first step means I will already I explained. So I wrote in shortcut. So direct you have 4, you have to in next step means you have to this number addition students. First means first you have this multiplication. Afterwards you will write the addition. Okay. 4 into 10,000 means 40,000 plus 1 into 1,000 that is 1,000. So 6 into 100 600. So 8 into 10 80 plus 4 into 1 that is 4. So this is the expanded form. Okay students. In next question, what is the next question? B1 question. It's 7 lakh 10,692. Okay, students. So, what is the value of the 7? 7 is a lakh. That is the value of this is a lakh. You know that 7 into 1 lakh. So, in 1 into that is a 10,000. So you know the students to write to direct because that here 0 into 1000. So 0 into 1000 that is the value is that is the 0. So next 6 into 100 plus 9 into what is the value of the 9 that is the 10. So 9 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So if we will write the next step. So 7 into 1 lakh is 7 lakh plus 10,000, 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. So 0, this is 0 into 1000, that is the value is 0. So we'll write in direct. Okay, next is the 600. So next is 90. 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the expanded form. Okay, students? Yes. So in next C1, secondly in C1, so I will give the homework students. Now I will explain again that even question. So even question is how many digits given? So here given in 6 digit, but 6 digit means that is a lacking. How to use the same method students? So you already I solved that A, B. In the next C I give to homework, but E also will use the same method. Yes, next 8 lakh 48,486. Okay, students. So, what is the place value of the 8 means you know that 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Yes, 8 into lakh plus that is the 4 is the value is 10,000. Next, students, in the 8 means that is the value is 1,000. So 4 is 100. The place value of the 8 is 10, so 6 is 1. Yes, students, so we will. Now that, so 8 into 10,000 means that is 80,000 plus, sorry, that lakh, so 8 lakh, 40,000, 82,000 is 8,000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 80 plus 6. So this is the expanded form. Okay, students. So this is the second mean is now completed. So I will using here I mean each questions means I follow that only I use two step students. So this is sometimes you write in this step students. So you have to some confusion happening means I will explain this one step again on this steps. Okay. Yes. Next, the standard form. So that is standard form means in last classes, I will explain for the standard form students. So standard form means that is in expanded form or standard form. That is opposite students. So you solve first in given some numerals numbers. The expanded form means given the numerals we will write to explain. But standard form means already given the explanation. So we will write the numeral numbers. Third mean Yes, students, that is the standard form. Standard form, what is the question in first one? That is the 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 2. Okay. Next question. So that is 50,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to dash. Okay, in C1, so 4 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 1000, 3 into 100 plus 4 is equal to dash. Okay, students, in a D1, 6 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 10 plus 9. Students, this is that is a in expanded form opposes that is the standard form. Student, in expanded form means given the numerals, you will the exclamation in a exclamation form, that in each numbers in each you will write the place value, but in standard form means given the in each place value, so we will write the numerals, students. So what here? So here given the what, this is the 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 50 plus 2. So given that each place here ones, tens given, 100 given, 1,000 here, 10,000. Okay, students, so 10,000, what is the value of the 10,000? That is the sum. Okay, students, the 1,000. What is the value of the 1,000? That is 6. Okay, that is what is the value of the 100? That is 8. So what is the next value? Is the tens is 5. That is ones is 2. So what is the that is the value of the 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 2. So that is 76,852. Students, so in a B1 question, just to think first you. Okay, students, just given here some one place value is missing, students. Here given 50,000. So afterwards given that is the 400 students, but here not given for in your reader only, not given that is a 1,000 place value, but just you think and you write the question. Okay, here what is 1,000? Okay, 50,000. So the student, this is the ones, this is the place value is the tens, this is 100, but here 1,000 not given, directly 10,000 given. Directly 10,000 given means how much 10,000? That is the 50,000. So you will write here first 50,000. 100, what is the value of the 100 means? That is a 4. That is value of the tens means that is a 10. So we will take here 1. So 7 means one's place value, we will write the 7. Yes, students. So what is the value of this means? That is the 50,417. Okay. In next question. So yes, just this question also just you carefully observe, students. So just you think. So you are given 4 lakh. This is where given one place value. Here 10 place value is not given. So that given, that is 100. Afterwards 1,000 given. But here 10,000 not given, students. Here given to lakh. Yes. So lakh means 4 into 1 lakh. That is a 4 lakh. How many lakhs, students, here? 4 lakhs. So first you will write here 4 lakhs. Okay. But here 10,000 not given, students. Yes. 10,000 not given means we will write here 0, 1, 0. But 1,000 given. How many thousand? That is a 1,000. Okay. Next, how many hundred, students, here? That is a 300. So we will write here 300, but tens not given. Students, tens not given means we will write the 0. But ones places is given, that is a 4. You know that ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh, that is a 4 lakh, 1,304. Yes, students, in last question, that is the D, this exercise last question, just you observe the students. So you are given one place, tens place given, but here not given here 1000 not given, 10,000 not given. So just that last question is given that lakh students. Okay. So 6 into lakh means how many lakhs? So that is the 6 into 1 lakh, that is the 6 lakh students. So 6 lakh approvals not given 10,000, so you will write the 0. 1000 also not given, so you will write that is 0. You have to consider the 0. In the next 100 means not given the place value of 100. Yes, students, just you 100 also you consider that 0. So afterwards given in 10 places, 10 places that is 8. So we will write here 8. One place is given 2, that is a 9. Last you will write the 9. So 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 6 lakh, that is 89. So 6 lakh, that is 89 students. So this is the fill up that. Yes, students, today I will explain that exercise 1D. So first main, second or third main also I will explanation, students. So that I hope that you have understood this in this exercise, that is exercise 1D. So next classes I will continue. I will take on the next class, students, the next exercise. But once again you recall that homework today. So that is today's in homework, students. Already I gave that. First main means this is D1 in this exercise, students, exercise 1D. Second main, that is C1. Students, so these in one exercise 1D, students you have right to in your classwork. Okay, next class I will take to continue.